All right, push those boats in. Hurry!
No, not that way!
Yes, this way! Left, you idiot! Stop spinning and row forward, now!
I told you to row starboard! No, Port, you idiot! He's posing again! We're gonna crash! Look out below! It's coming up! Row faster! Ribbit! Whoa! Splish! Hold on tight! We're sinking! Bail, bail! Whoa! I gotcha! Don't let go! More water coming! Thanks! Keep pulling! Hold fast! We push through! Keep rowing! We're almost there! Prepare for impact! We made it! Yes! But I feel like we're not alone. Don't worry, we're safe now.
Hey, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for all your support, and have a great day. Goodbye for now.